everybody, Tim W. Levitachi 1996 here. Now you're probably wondering why I look goofy right now, sort of. I know my dad's gonna be taking me on his bike. I mean, this isn't the first time I've done this, but now you're officially gonna be seeing it on video here. So we're just going around the corner to my grandma and grandpa's, but still, it's really fun.
More time.
Huh?
We'd go for a ride if we had more time. We're supposed to do it Saturday.
Yeah, you heard.
But unfortunately, the fan messed up.
Yeah. So, yep, you're gonna go on my dad's wicked 2015. This is 2015, right?
2015 950 V-Star. Yeah. They only made him 1 year.
Just yep. But this thing runs like a duty, so you will be doing this. Because why not?
Billy texted me, so let's go around the block.
Oh, really?
We'll go around.
Yeah. You see everybody, look at Dad's helmet. He looks like RoboCop. Look at that. He looks like the original RoboCop.
I look like Wee-Wee, your mom says.
I have no clue who that. I have no idea who that is.
Riri?
Riri? Oh God, okay, never mind. It's a totally different perspective from in the car when you're actually sitting on this. See, we're actually supposed to be going there, but now we're gonna go around the block here. Do I have to belch like every freaking video?
What?
Do I have, every time I do a video, I always belch. I don't know why. Like, I belch every freaking video I do. Alright?
post this?
Yep.
I want to watch it.
Yep.
I'll get a notification probably.
Yep.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're good. Huh?
This thing hauls ass.
Yeah, it does. Clearly, you've seen it can haul ass.
It's 5 years old. It's 5 years old now. And it's got less than, it's only got 10,000 miles.
Hey, man.
I got the front wheel up in, when I went to get my hair cut in the Kohl's parking lot. Yeah, but I shifted gears and it's just too heavy. It went up like this, but I hit second and it went back down and it's just too heavy. If we can get out of there, don't. I would say go ahead and stick your helmet right there, just, but if you want to take that chance, because it's going to be...
What chance am I taking?
It's going to suck if it gets stalled.
Oh.
Go ahead, just take it right there. It'll be alright.
Yeah. Well, everybody, you just saw me had that little piece of fun there. I'm going to show off Dad's bike one last time. Pretty dope. Alright. Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, alright everybody. Tim W. of Leather Tachi 1996, and I'm going to say peace out everybody. See y'all in the next video.
Hey. Oh.
See y'all in the next video. Peace out everybody.